Welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Tonight, you guessed it. Maybe you didn't, but I'm going to tell you. We're making Strombolis. So we have our frozen bread dough thawed, and we're going to add some ham, pepperoni, and bacon. And we're going to add some fresh mushrooms, and my fresh mozzarella cheese, a little bit of Parmesan, some diced jalapenos, and then we're going to add some spices. So let's get started. Now this all depends on how you like yours, but I like to take my pepperonis and I like to quarter them. So we're going to quarter up our pepperonis and we'll be right back. So we have them all quartered up, and we're going to take our ham and we're going to put it into nice little sliced chunks as well. We're going to get it and we'll just slice it up here. Just get some more. Definitely you want some meat in these Strombolis. We're going to start with that and we can add to it. We're going to take our mushrooms and kind of chop them up some as well. Now you can put anything in here you want. You can put sausage, you can put hamburger meat, you can put salami, however you like it. You can put peppers and onions if you want to.
Black cats.
She's being good. She's just sitting over there on the side that we don't use to cook or prep.
She wants to help eat any scraps you have.
Right? Alright, so we have enough chopped up here to get started. Our bread dough is thawed. So we're just going to cut this in half. Like so. And then we're going to put it on our greased cookie sheet. Over here, we're just going to flatten it down. And of course, it's bread dough, so it's kind of like elastic. So it just kind of springs back. But we want to try to manipulate it and flatten it down as much as we can. Because we're just going to make like a pocket to put our stuff in. Alright, so we got a nice workable space, and we're just going to add half of these mushrooms. And half the ham and half the pepperoni. And we're going to make them nice and full. So that's what we want. We want a nice full Stromboli. We're going to take our fresh mozzarella. We're going to lay that right on top. I'm going to sprinkle with some Parmesan, because we like the different flavors to mix and mingle. Add a little bit of bacon bits. Because why not? Everybody likes bacon. Add on some jalapenos. If you got fresh, that would be great, but we just got these ones, so this will do. I'm going to take some granulated onion. Now you can see that bread dough shrinking back up. It's alright. We got this. Don't worry. Some granulated garlic. And our trusty old Italian seasonings. I just want to sprinkle that on there. Alright, now we're going to manipulate this all nice and closed. So I like to take I'll take this shorter end here. I'm just going to pull it and push it over and pull the other side and push it over, and then we're going to seal it up on the ends here, just like so. And we're going to do that to the other one. Then we're going to let these sit for just a little bit. We'll put like little pockets in here for it to breathe. Otherwise they expand and they blow up because the air gets trapped in there. So just a couple of them. So we'll put the other one on here and we will get to baking. Alright, so we're going to put this one back over here. And we got them both done. We're going to put them with the seam side down. And we're going to poke them with those holes that I said about. Just a couple. We're going to let these sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're going to bake them at 425. He likes the crunchy pepperoni, and since I have extra pepperoni, I'm going to just take some and layer it right on the top. That way, as it's baking, that crunchy pepperoni will crunch right up. And you got the ooey gooeyness inside, and some nice crispy pepperoni on the outside. Alright, so we've left these go for about 15 minutes. You really don't want them to rise. You just kind of want to let them get more room temperature. We're going to put them in our oven at 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Look at that. Ooh! In the meantime, we're going to take our marinara. We're going to put it in this back pot on just low. And we're going to let it warm up. We're going to add a little bit of sugar. Pop that right on in there. Spice it up just a little bit. Add a little bit of sugar to take that acid away. Alright, so just put a little bit of sugar in there. About a tablespoon and a half, 2 tablespoons. You don't need much. You don't want to sweeten it up. You just want to take the acid out. A little bit of onion powder and a little bit of garlic powder. And add some marinade, Italian seasonings. Stir that all up and just let it simmer. And there you have it, folks. Doesn't that look delicious? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Appreciate everything. Thanks for always watching, and don't forget to come back to our kitchen again.